it's Daisy Lamini, and today I'll be talking to you about the Minos 6-cup espresso coffee maker. So let's see, let's open it. See what it comes all, what all comes inside. So, it's nice. I love the stainless steel. Sits here. Oh wow, this is amazing. Okay, so it comes with different handles, a red one and also a blue one. I like that because I'm like the type of person that like to switch things around a lot. So if I'm in the mood to have everything red in my house, everything will be red in my house. So I like that. That's cute. Cool. Okay, let's see. It also comes with, oh, this is cute. Little Minos coffee instructions. So let's see how this works. So in my next video, I will be showing you guys how this machine works, and I'll be letting you guys know how it comes out. All right, thank you.